Welcome to this brief video on a topic you'll need for A2 and A5. It's not particularly difficult, but I left it out, so I want to show you what you need. Sometimes you need to ask the user what they want. The problem is that the users don't always know what they want. Now, this is not their fault because user needs change. So, for example, if we were looking at the bookshop example, each customer would come into the second-hand bookshop and ask about books for different authors. You can't write a different query for each author. That would be silly. So what you need is something called a parameter query. It's quite easy. This is not available in all DBMSs. Some, like MySQL, need a front end which collects data from the user and then adds that to the SQL command. Those DBMSs that allow parameter queries all do this in different ways. But the example shown here will only work in Oracle. So let's take an example. Here's some SQL. What we're going to do is select the last name, first name and title of a book. We're going to get this from author, author title and the title tables in the bookshop example. We're going to do this where the author IDs match and where the title IDs match. That's the linking between the tables. But then comes the clever bit. We also want where the last name equals and then in single quotes ampersand and whatever it is you're looking for. So what we're asking the user to do is to enter the last name. That ampersand means enter the last name. And as you know, items of data go in single quotes. So this will display something like enter a value for last name. You will then enter the family name of the author and then that name is substituted into the query and the query is run. If you entered Wicks, all those books by any author whose surname was Wicks would then appear. It's that simple. Now you may need a couple of parameters to be able to get what you want out, but that's all there is to it.